The National Police Service has eliminated the majority of roadblocks across the country, particularly along the northern corridor. Now, several temporary checkpoints will, however, remain in strategic points to thwart organized crimes such as terrorism, human trafficking, movement of illicit arms and ammunition, trafficking in narcotic drugs, and distribution of contraband goods. Interior CS Professor Kindiki says such roadblocks will be manned by well-trained, courteous and professional security officers. He further expressed regrets of persistent delays in the issuance of passports and other citizenship documents.
The picture that we are presenting at Nyayo House is actually disrespectful to the people of Kenya to come there and spend the day there, the whole day, a crowded place, no meals, some young children there, lactating mothers. It is not right. We must, even as we tackle this problem, which I'm saying, I cannot promise it will end tonight. But it's in sight because the fundamentals have been are in place. It's only now the clearing of backlog and the other things I've said about supply chain. We'll find a way of stopping that crowding from next week somehow. Yeah, we better tell the people of Kenya the truth. Yeah, it's nothing secret. If you cannot get your passport today, we tell you we don't have it. The rest of it is okay. If Kenyans want to express their dissatisfaction, it's also their right to do so, rather than the picture we're having there. I agree, the corruption issues are still rampant there. And I have told all my colleagues there, we will have to clean up the place. We have begun somewhere, but we are not yet there.